This is my 1999 Honda Civic, and today I will be adding the air sensor, and I actually bought the wrong intake. So today what I'll be doing just to test the car is I'll be modifying it with the cardboard and tape just to make it so that the air goes in, so that I could test this and I can clear the check engine light. I will also be teaching you guys how to do a little trick that I learned from a friend of mine, how to reset the computer and the check engine light without having a scanner. So stay tuned. Oh, instead what I did was I reinforced it with tape, and it actually held very well. You can tell it's all messed up right here, but I put the sensor in, and now I'm gonna disconnect the battery, and that alone should reset the codes in the computer for the check engine light. Check engine light should clear. Now what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna turn the car on, and I'll leave the car turned on for a little bit, and then that should clear the check engine light. Now all I'm gonna do is I'm gonna turn the car on, and the check engine light will be gone. Watch. Ta-da! Check engine light gone. Hell yeah. Now all I'm gonna do is I'll let the car run for a little bit, probably like 10-15 minutes, just to make sure that the check engine light doesn't turn back on. But that little trick is pretty cool. You know, you just unplug the battery and like it resets everything. So thank you for tuning in, guys, and I'll get back to you on the next one.